Yes, be ready. Start. Then, one point which I would like to mention to the minister in this connection is how far the proliferation of general colleges will help in the promotion of employment opportunities because more and more educated unemployed are registering themselves in the employment exchanges and how to prevent this kind of explosive situation because general educational colleges are being opened almost every day in many places. Stop. There is no restriction on that. Stop. The state governments are also not placing proper restriction on the opening of those colleges. Stop. In this regard, a policy should be evolved. Also, stop. Also, the role of the private sector, private enterprise in running these colleges, particularly in the higher education, should also be defined. Stop. There used to be a lot of enthusiasm in the private enterprise to open colleges and run them in the past. Stop. But more and more stress is now being given to opening government colleges. Stop. That also requires a little review. Stop. Stanza. Then the universities should be separate from the burden of the day-to-day administration, the administrative burden. Stop. They should devote more time for research and maintenance of standards, etc. in colleges. Stop. Nowadays, they are more burdened with the administrative work. Stop. In Andhra Pradesh, we are experimenting with the Commissionerate of Higher Education, which of course has landed in trouble due to court orders. Stop. But you are going to have a National Council for Higher Education. Stop. Therefore, similarly, the council's task should be to save universities from the day-to-day administrative work. Stop. The concept of open universities should also be encouraged. Stop. In that respect, also Andhra Pradesh has taken a lead. Stop. It was the first state to start an open university. Stop. Subsequently, you have started the Indira Gandhi Open University here. Stop. So, more and more states should be encouraged so that those who cannot attend colleges regularly can take advantage of the education offered by the open universities. Stop. Then, about rural universities, the proposal is not making headway. Stop. In reply to a parliamentary question, the minister said that the plans are still being finalized. I do not know what the snag is and why the progress is so tardy in this respect. Stop. Stanza. Another area where little progress has been made is in regard to delinking of degrees from jobs. Stop. The national policy on education suggested that the Department of Personnel should complete a review of the job requirements and stop. Over.